In this video, we are going to show you how to build a complete content engine using Poppy AI. Now, content engine, a complete one, I'm going to show you a simple one. Content engine is pretty much doing everything all under one roof. What does that mean? It means that you're going to be sourcing everything from script, right? Creating script using Poppy AI, creating the generated media using Poppy AI, and actually voiceovering or doing a voiceover on Poppy AI if you don't have anything like a 11 Labs account or something, right? So how do we do this? We do several groups here. So how do we create a group? Look towards here and click on group here on the very bottom. It has the folder icon. So the first group we have is channels. So look for channels that are related to your content. So for this example, we're gonna say about roofing and construction. So we have this big channel over here. So we're just gonna put it here on the channels page, and then we're gonna diversify and we're gonna put a few websites here. So these are websites of businesses, right? And then we're gonna have the final script, a group for a final script, and generated media. So what does that mean? We can generate images and video pretty much using Poppy AI, using chat, and make sure everything is connected here. Now it's up to you how to prompt this. So you're pretty much just gonna say use the content from both the channels and business websites groups to create uh, a script. And once you're done, put the script in the final script folder, right? After you're satisfied with the script that it's created, you can now proceed to creating pretty much any visual or picture or image you want. So as you can see here, there's an option that says create image, right? So just click that. And once you have a good batch of images, tell the Poppy chat to save it in the generated media folder or group, right? Once you have everything done, you can just now export it to your PC, save it to your PC, and start editing the video for you. So that is pretty much uh, the whole concept of having a content engine. So the reason why we have groups here is because once you're done for this example, right? All we need to do is click and then delete uh, the content within the groups, right? And then say next video is about arborists, right? Our arborist services. Now we just do the same thing. We go to YouTube, we check for videos or channels about arborist services. We go check arborist businesses online and feed it to these two groups here. So we don't need to start from scratch ever again and just have this board for this. And if you are interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 off discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.